Hi guys, so Moody Lenses sent me this package and let's unbox it together. So they sent a bunch of 1-day lenses. We have Down Tempo Comet, Gemini Blues, Mist Green, Teenage Daydream, and Meteor Funk. We also have a 1-month one, which is the White Peach Oolong. They also sent 2 insertion and removal kit. I also got the contact lens case, which also comes with an insertion and removal kit. Moody Lenses also sent Line Friends makeup sponge. And lastly, we have here their brochure, which basically contains their story, safety tips, and other information and instructions that you need to take note of. Now that we're done unboxing, I will try some of the 1-day lenses that they sent over. So this is how my eye looks like without any contact lens on. So the first one that we'll try is Gemini Blues. Each box contains 10 pieces or 5 pairs. So once you use it, you have to dispose it and get a new one. This is how they look like once you take them out of the box. I also used the insertion and removal kit to show you guys how to use it. I really like this insertion and removal kit because it comes with a container which helps it in keeping it clean and neat. As you can see, I was having so much fun. This one is to insert the contact lens and the other one is to grab it. So now let's put them on. Okay, girl's secret skill, holding everything in one hand. But yeah, you just put the contact lens on top and then just insert it and then blink blink. There you go. Honestly, I was literally surprised because I thought it would look crazy because it's blue, but it looks so good. And no, not the forehead reveal, but yeah, this is the one with the contact lens on, and this one is without. Now I'm gonna put on the other side so you can see it with the flash on in the back cam. This is how it looks like. I love the details. You can see the sparkling stars that makes my eyes pop more, and the blue doesn't go crazy, so it looks really natural, although I don't have blue eyes. So I feel like if you want something blue but that looks really natural, this one is for you. Moving on, we have another daily contact lens, which is the Meteor Funk. This one is really great, and I feel like it is perfect for a daily look if you love gray lenses just like me. And this is how it looks like with and then without. These are also very comfortable, which I love, and they are easy to use. On top of that, they look so pretty, just like this. They elevate your simple makeup look. I've always wished to have these contact lenses, especially with the stars and sparkles. As you can see with the back cam and the flash, this is how it looks like. It looks so pretty. Again, this is with the back cam and the flash on. It is just so perfect for everyday looks. Lastly, we have the Down Tempo Comet. This is dark bluish gray. And this is how it looks like with and without the contact lens. I keep on saying that they look so natural, but actually they do look really natural, like all of the colors. And look at the details with the back cam and the flash on. It looks so good. I feel like this is also subtle enough to be worn every day if you want a bluish gray contact lens. Again, this is Gemini Blues, one of my favorites. And this is the perfect blue if you want a natural one. And then we have here Meteor Funk, which is gray and perfect for everyday makeup looks. I really love this as well. And lastly, we have the Down Tempo Comet, which is a bluish gray contact lens. Super good and natural too. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to get 15% off in your orders, just type in Anna Marga 15 once you check out.